doing something. So I'm enjoying this shrimp. Oh yeah, I can have it now. I'm so thankful. Woo! What's up, YouTubers? MillerFlow vlogs. Bad news. I lost the bet. I didn't make it. I was actually out shopping for, I'm gonna cook out today. You guys are gonna see some of that, some grilling. But I lost. I didn't realize that I had shrimp with my parents. I sat there, my mom went to Giant, got some of those shrimp, cooked them, and I didn't even realize it. She just served it to me and was like, here, you want some shrimp? And I took it. And I was just in the store and said, oh my goodness, because I bought shrimp for the this evening for dinner and realized I can't buy this, I can't eat this. And then I said, oh no, I ate shrimp. So I lost the bet, y'all. Anyways, oh well. Timmy and Gracie get something, so I forget what it was that I was supposed to give them, but I lost, y'all. So they win the challenge. Anyways, enjoy the video. Enjoy what you see today. Peace! So the burgers are ready now to be put on the grill, so we're going to go out there and start the grill. Chloe thinks she's going to get something. Maybe. But I got to watch you, because she will jump up here and try and get it, right? Mm-hmm. You ain't slick. You ain't slick. So if you looked on Instagram, you saw that my tire blew out the other night. Well, this is what happened when it blew out. It took out the side bumper here, as you can see from the wheel, the tire flapping up, and it just, as you can see, though, this is from the tire just hitting and hitting and hitting the side there. So that's what happened. We were all right. I was able to get AAA to tow it and put on some new tires. So I just now have to get this bumper fixed. And once that's done, praise the Lord, everything will be ready to go back to Uber. So guys, since I failed the challenge, I went ahead and bought some shrimp, and I'm gonna have my seafood tonight because I didn't make it through the challenge. I thought I was doing well, but we're figuring out what I'm getting Timmy and Gracie. We're thinking it through. So if you guys have any ideas what I should get them, it has to be under $15. That's the max that they can go to. So comment down below if you have any ideas. I'm going to enjoy this shrimp. Me and Kmillz. Money. 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 $115. That's what I gotta give. What do you want, Timmy? Did we decide in the last video? I don't even know.
Yeah, you should
And I was honest in telling them because they weren't there when I had this seafood. I didn't realize I had it, but I told them. So, what are you doing?
Can I have $6?
$6?
Four? Can I have $4?
$4.
Can I have $1?
Okay.
I want a $1.
And I'll work it out. I'll work it out. You get your money. So that's what happened, guys. Hope you liked the video, shots of the grill, Timmy dribbling, and me explaining that I lost the bet. See you next time, guys.
See you next time.
What do you tell them?
Like, subscribe.
That's right.
And comment down below.
All right. I'm doing something. So I'm enjoying this shrimp. Oh yeah, I can have it now. I'm so thankful. Woo.
Subscribe to MillerFlow. Period.
Yeah, don't skip the intro. I filled it with some most important info. I've been broke and I ain't talking ends though. I've been low. My pride came crashing down like them towers after 9/10. Whoa, tearing up.